We're gonna give this Aston Martin Vanquish a complete makeover. So let's get to it. So we had a repeat customer bring us another car. They just picked up this Aston Martin Vanquish. Really cool car. The color really wasn't their style. So they wanted something a little more loud, a little more their personality. So we're actually gonna give it a full color change PPF with Pure PPF in a really unique color. We're gonna be adding some personal touches to the brake calipers as well. A few little things here and there. And excited to show you guys what it's gonna look like. So let's get into it. So as you can see, we've gotten pretty far on this Pure PPF color change job on this Aston Martin Vanquish. Anytime you're doing color change PPF, it does present some unique challenges, especially when you're going from a light colored car to something dark or something very unique like this color you see here behind me. So we're also doing the door jambs on this car, which is why you see the doors completely taken off. It enables us to kind of get down in those areas to really get the inside of the door as well as the inside of the door jamb, and make sure that's all completely covered, which is another unique aspect that you'll do with color PPF, or you should at least have that option. Generally speaking, it's gonna take a lot more time to do color PPF than traditional PPF, even stealth conversions, because of the different details that go into getting complete coverage. As you can see, sometimes you're gonna have to do certain inlays, and a lot of those things also are gonna help make sure that you don't have exposed areas that are visible to the naked eye once everything's done.
Oh, yes.
Shut the front door. Look at that.
That's beautiful, isn't it?
Oh my God.
Is it you now?
It's totally sexy. That's amazing. Wow. Awesome. Yeah, the pop of color is everything.
So here's the final result. As you can see, we did this Aston Martin Vanquish in our Purple Rain from Pure PPF. Now this is a color change paint protection film that gives them all the protection of a traditional paint protection film, but also the ability to change the color of the vehicle as well. On this particular vehicle, we added some accent colors with color change vinyl across the end of all the carbon fiber. We also painted the brake calipers to kind of match and give it some contrast to the crazy color shift that you see all over the car. In addition to the exterior of the vehicle, we also did color change PPF on the door jambs and sills. That way when the customer opens the door, you don't see the original color of the car. You see the same color shift PPF that's on the exterior, and everything looks like it came that way from the factory. So if you're looking to take your ride to the next level, change the color, and add protection at the same time, come see us at Ixexotics.